Today I am in the heart of southeastern Arizona near Superior. Welcome to the Boyce Thompson Arboretum. Come join me today as I explore the beauty of one of Arizona's hidden gems. Located about an hour southeast of downtown Phoenix, you'll find this breathtaking 392-acre nature reserve, packed with dramatic desert scenery, rare plant species, and some fantastic hiking trails. Whether you are into wildlife, hiking, or just want a serene escape from the city, there's something here for everyone. So a little bit of background with Boyce Thompson Arboretum. It was founded in 1924 by William Boyce Thompson, a mining baron who saw plants as an essential to the balance of nature and human survival. It is the oldest and largest botanical garden in Arizona. Nestled at the foot of the Superstitious Mountains, it boasts a unique blend of desert, tropical, and temperate climates. Over 3,200 plant species thrive here, so there's a lot to take in. One of the things that I love about this place is how diverse the plant life is. Here, you will find everything from giant saguaro cacti to lush Mediterranean gardens. It feels like you're journeying through different environments all in one location. The region is dotted with massive saguaro cacti. They can grow to 40 feet tall. Incredibly, they can live for over 150 years. One of my favorite sections was the desert garden, where you'll find all kinds of cacti and succulents native to the Sonoran Desert. It's amazing how these plants have adapted to survive in such harsh conditions. Some of them store water for many months in their stems, while others have evolved thick spines to protect themselves from the sun. If you love wildlife, the Arboretum is sure to impress. It features a stunning riparian zone, complete with a creek that winds through the landscape. There are plenty of birds, especially during migration season. It's the perfect spot to relax and listen to the sounds of nature. Whether you're into photography, hiking, or simply soaking in the desert beauty, there's no shortage of peaceful spots to just unwind. Before you leave, be sure to stop by the gift shop for some unique souvenirs. Or check out the visitor center, where you can learn more about the history of the Arboretum and its ongoing conservation efforts. Alright, that's a wrap on my trip to the Boyce Thompson Arboretum. It was such a peaceful and beautiful experience. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's in the area. Whether you're a local or just visiting Arizona, this place is a must-see for nature lovers or anyone who wants to experience the beauty of the desert. There is a fee to enter. I will leave a link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this little tour, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.